It's the chicken song! Now, who could forget the chicken song? Remember my review when I was saying flush the duck? It's hilarious, my friends. But have you ever wondered why it's not on a card if you ever got a subscription to Bitsbox, which you should? Volume 1, of course. It's on set number 1. It's a beautiful set. On So Long Homework, over here is the platform for my Flush the Duck. You click on New to get So Long Homework. You click on New App and click on Do Activity called So Long Homework. You click on it, and when you click on it, it'll bring you here. It'll teach you what to do. When I click on Fill, I'll fill it up into a flush. Flush is a background which will appear as a toilet. How hilarious! And now, after flush, what we're going to do is we're going to change it back to black hole. Black hole, my friends, black hole. After we click on black hole, it'll give us a thing called time. Oh no, what did I do to the M? Here we go. 3,000 milliseconds, seconds, who knows? Now, we're going to make an H. We're going to make it H. It's going to be a stamp called what we're going to call homework. But before we finish off, we need to add the number 500. What it does is it puts the homework right here. No one likes homework. So we're going to make H, which is H stamp. The stamp is going to rotate. So we're going to type in rotate. And my friends, we shall add the word time. And on each, we click on size. And we're going to add a 0. We're going to add the time because we need the time, of course, which is the size. It's going to shrink down into 0. The sound flush shall play flush. And then you have it. But I would love to add a toilet. So I'm going to type in the background flush like we did in the beginning. And we're going to add, not a homework, but in my opinion, I despise bananas. Who likes bananas? If you do, just comment down. It's a banana going down a toilet. Who knew? And that is it. So, we're going to rename it by clicking on the title. We'll call it Flush the Banana. Now, we'll edit the icon. This is called an icon. We're going to edit it. We are going to edit it. That sounds hilarious. That sounds so hilarious coming out of my mouth. And this accent is so weird. And instead of a question, we're going to add a banana. Yes, a banana. Don't ask why. We got a banana. It's beautiful. But instead of flush, we'll add a black hole too. Black hole too. It'll look like this. A space banana. How weird and hilarious. Now, this CreamyxXCoder signing off with the chicken song.